In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign to check the envelope status and history of your envelopes. This tutorial is designed to help you navigate the platform effectively, making the most of its features in just a few minutes. Understanding the status and history of your Docusign envelopes is crucial for managing your documents efficiently, whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform. So let's dive in and explore how you can keep track of your important documents with ease. First, we'll start by heading over to the Docusign website. If you're not familiar with Docusign, it's an industry leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. Once there, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Use your Docusign account details to log in securely. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up first, but today's focus is on those who already use the service. Once logged in, let's proceed to the Docusign home. This is where you'll find all your recent activities and document summaries. From here, look for the Agreements tab. Clicking on it will take you to a list of all your active agreements. This is the central hub where you can manage your documents and their statuses. Next, we need to refine our focus to envelopes requiring your attention. You'll want to locate and click on the Action Required section. This area shows you which envelopes need your intervention, whether it be a signature, a review, or some other action. It's crucial not to overlook this section as it keeps your processes moving smoothly. Now let's say you have an envelope that you've already interacted with once and want to delve into more detail. Look for the three-dot icon next to the envelope you're interested in. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with various options. From this menu, select History. This option provides a comprehensive timeline of all the actions taken on that particular envelope. Viewing the history of your envelopes gives you a detailed breakdown of every step in the process, when it was sent, when recipients viewed it, and when signatures were added. This feature is invaluable for tracking progress and ensuring that all parties are on the same page. It's also a great way to troubleshoot if you encounter any issues, as you'll be able to see exactly where the process might be stalling. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to effectively monitor and manage the status and history of your Docusign envelopes. This functionality is a key part of staying organized and efficient in your document management. Don't forget to regularly check your Action Required section to keep everything moving along promptly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy document managing.